This video is going to walk you through how to create a group assessment and create groups for your students. So an instructor can either create the groups or you can leave it up to the students to decide what groups they're going to be in. So when you're setting up your assessment, you'll go through the normal process with entering your due date, and you'll need to click to enable a group assessment here. I've just duplicated this assessment, so it's just going to skip over the part where you would include the assessment content. So next you're going to come across to the Students tab to assign groups and click Edit Group. To assign a student a group, you drag them from the unassigned list here across to the group side. If you would like to edit the groups or change up the groups, you're going to select the red X beside the student's name. That will bring it back over to the unassigned section, and you will then be able to create or move them to a different group. One thing to note, that if you are moving them from an existing group, if they have submitted to an assessment before they're moved, their original submission will not be included in the new group. But not to worry, if you accidentally move them around, by selecting that red X again and putting them back into their original group, you will still have access to that original submission. When a student is submitting on behalf of a group, we also recommend that only one student submits on behalf of everybody. And in terms of grading, all members in the same group will receive the same grade and have access to the feedback. And you'll actually see in the results tab over here, in the student tab, you will see here, once you've gone through and edited your groups, students who are in the same group appear in the same line together. And there's one link to their submission and their grading, one submission status, and one score for all group members.